is just like a little woolly wagtail, but tiny. Where's that beautiful little red one? Look at the little fellas. There's another one. It's different. It's green. God, we've got a lot of different types of birds here. The parrots here are absolutely stunning. Absolutely stunning. But I'm going to swing this around. Oh, I'm not liking what I'm seeing with a few bloody of these weeds here. Right. It's just unreal when you sit and just don't move much, and the bird life that comes around. It's back up over there's my little shed, probably about 150 metres. I'm going to leave that. Snow Mick out, you all have a lovely day.